Gamada.tv.
Hello and welcome to Gamada. Today we are going to tell you about the history of the snail. The appearance of snails dates back millions of years in the history of Earth. These fascinating creatures are gastropods belonging to the mollusk class. The earliest snail fossils can be traced back to the Paleozoic era around 500 million years ago. Over time, they have adapted to a wide variety of terrestrial, freshwater, and marine habitats across the world. Snails have evolved to develop their distinctive feature, the shell, which protects them and serves as their mobile home. The shell is formed through a process of calcium carbonate secretion by a special gland located within their bodies. Different snail species exhibit an incredible diversity of shell shapes, sizes, and patterns. Snails play an important role in ecosystems. They primarily feed on decomposing plant matter, helping to break down organic material and enrich soils with nutrients. Some snails are also herbivores, feeding on live plants, while others are carnivorous, preying on small invertebrates. The interaction between snails and humans dates back to ancient times. They were valued both for their food value and aesthetic beauty. The Romans, for instance, raised snails for consumption and considered them a delicacy. Over the centuries, snail farming has developed in different cultures, particularly in France, where snails have become an iconic dish in French cuisine. Today, snails continue to be appreciated in certain regions of the world as a culinary specialty. They are also studied by scientists to understand their biology, ecology, and evolution. Unfortunately, the introduction of invasive species, habitat destruction, and pollution have led to a decline in some snail populations, endangering their survival. Overall, the history of snails is a story of adaptation, diversity, and interaction with humans. Their early appearance in the history of life on Earth and their important ecological role make them fascinating creatures deserving of our respect and protection. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope you enjoyed this little documentary.
Snails.